What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. So, today, coming at you with a nice, light, refreshing sandwich. A bacon, tomato, and cheese sandwich. Some of y'all are asking, why ain't this a BLT? You can make it a BLT. That's what cooking's all about. Making it your own. That ain't what we doing today. We ain't doing a BLT. As my dad would say back in the past, I ain't no goat. That's what goats eat. They eat the roughage. I ain't no goat. That's what we ain't doing today. We making up a bacon, tomato, and cheese sandwich. Nice, light, refreshing sandwich. Today, we're going to use up some of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on that sandwich. Stick around, we're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your bacon, tomato, and cheese sandwich. 3 strips of bacon, 2 slices of Colby Jack cheese, 2 pieces of bread, 1 beefsteak tomato, some butter, and some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. First thing you need to do, gotta slice this tomato. Look at these slices. Now I don't have a Del Strong. I've got TUO knives. They're in my Amazon store. They're relatively priced. Very sharp. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and butter the bread. And there we go. Just that simple. We're going to go ahead and get started now. Go ahead and throw down these strips of bacon. I got this side set to medium high. The other side is set to medium low. And throw down some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake on these strips of bacon. We're going to flip these pieces of bacon over. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yep, that one didn't want to cooperate. Now I like my bacon done a little bit more than most people. So we're going to let these bacon just ride a little bit longer. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pull these 3 strips of bacon off. Let them rest for about 30 seconds so that way they're safe to handle. Alright, we're going to go ahead and begin. Put a piece of bread down, put a piece of cheese down. Now cut the bacon in half. Bacon, tomato, bacon, cheese, bread. Now let that go for about a minute. You know it's coming along nicely when you start to see the cheese start to sag and melt. You know the heat's coming up through the bread and getting into that cheese. And there we go. We done. And we're done. Now time to dig into that sandwich. Nice and cheesy, nice and light. The tomato is nice and warm. That bacon is also crisp. Just perfect. Nice and good for an afternoon sandwich. Just hits the spot. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.